Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got Birchbox unboxing to share with you, and this month it's in a gorgeous tin. That's what it looks like. If you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received inside this box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box. This is Birchbox UK. There are other Birchboxes out there, but this is solely for UK only. It costs £12.95 a month and that includes shipping. If you opt for a rolling monthly subscription, you can cancel any month, but they do offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. Normally we get little trays, little cardboard trays, which are quite handy. I use them to put nail varnishes and things like that in them, but no, this is a little bit different. We got a box. I used to be a long-term subscriber to Birchbox before I started YouTube, but then I just found that compared to other subscription boxes out there of similar value, I decided to have a bit of a break and then subscribe to others. But lots and lots of you have been saying that you'd love to see Birchbox back on my channels, so for the last couple of months I've been subscribed monthly and I'm going to continue to subscribe. Some months are better than others, as you'd expect from a subscription box really, but inside every box or tin you'll receive 5 beauty products and you have a little card which I'll show you, and it details everything about the products inside the box. Now Birchbox has an online store, so they're sort of thinking behind this subscription is to showcase some of the products that you can buy on their website. So we tend to get minis, travel sizes or minis, and we have had little teeny tiny samples as well, but their main aim is for us to try brand new products month by month, and if we really like them then we go onto their website and we have a little bit of a discount. And if you subscribe for, I think it's longer than 6 months, you become a VIP member, and I think you get 15% off then anything you buy online. So I do have a refer a friend code. It entitles you to have your first box for £5, which I'll pop down below. All details and everything related to the subscription I will pop down below. So underneath this video see show more, if you click that, that'll bring up the description and everything will be listed down there. But sometimes there is the option to sign up to Birchbox and you'll receive a free beauty product. So I'll have a look online, and if I find anything I'll pop that down below. But I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed any information out, I'll just pop it down below, but ask away as well. If there's anything you want me to answer, then ask away. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what I got inside. I haven't had a look yet. I just received this morning, so I had to do a video straight away. Give you a sneak peek of the items in my box. It's a little leaflet about a craft beer subscription, and then this is the little card then that tells you everything about the product, so I'll refer to this as we go along. Inside this month's tin there's no full-size items, so they're all little minis or little samples, but it says here, hello Birchboxers, May is here, brighter days and fresh optimism, so it's time to let your natural beauty shine through this month and to always remember that you're blooming lovely. Now on the back they normally show you a sneak peek for next month, but there isn't anything on the back, so I don't know, maybe it's a surprise for next month, but it's just got just encouraging you to post up your photos onto social media. So before I get into unboxing mine, I must say that you might be watching this thinking, ooh, I'm not that keen on what Claire's got, or you might be like, oh, I love everything that Claire's received. Well, unfortunately with Birchbox there's variations. There's usually 1 or 2 items that you'll receive in the box, and I know for a fact that we'll all be receiving this item, which I'll talk about in a minute, but it's a little mascara, but everything else could be a little bit different. Now they usually post up an edit onto their website. If I can find it I will link it down below. I don't always find it. It's usually posted on their Facebook page if anywhere, so I'll have a look, and if I can get a link for you I'll pop that down in the description just so that you can see a whole list of products that you might receive. So if you subscribe for this month you'll definitely get one of these, and the rest could be anything. That is one of the hardest things being a YouTuber that does unboxings, when the boxes have variations, unfortunately. But I hope you find it informative, hope I give you an idea about the box and you know what it's like and everything, but yeah I'll just go on now. So we got a little mascara. Now when I saw this is our sneak peek from last month. When I saw it we had a choice of pink or blue, so sometimes with this sneak peek they do have the option for you to choose either or, which is really handy, especially when it comes to blushes or lipsticks or anything. You'll get an email from Birchbox before your box is due to be sent out to you asking you which of the 2 items you would want. If you don't choose they just send you a random one. When this was a sneak peek last month I feel such a fool now, absolutely stupid. There was a blue one, And there's a pink one like this. Now I was thinking, wow, that is so cool. That is really, really cool. And they're asking us to choose. So in my head, I was thinking, it's got to be blue mascara and pink mascara. Or hair mascara, because I didn't really know much about it. But no, it's not. It's just plain black mascara. It's just the packaging is different. So I decided to leave it up to Birchbox to decide which one to pick for me. And they picked this pink one for me. It's by Manicadar. Blue mascara in jet black. What's the wand like? Ooh, oh, that's quite a nice wand. That is quite a nice wand. It's not too small and not too big. It looks like it's got a really good amount of product on there as well. I'm really fussy. I wear false eyelashes, but sometimes I like to go without false eyelashes, and I want my lashes to look the best. They're tiny, short, straight. They're not the nicest of lashes, so I am quite particular with the mascaras I go for. So to buy this at full size, it will cost you £23. It says this mascara's innovative spiral shaped wand and ultra dense fibre bristles add intense volume and length to your lashes. The cutting edge wand features a thin yet fluffy brush with reservoirs of mascara, so you can apply the maximum amount with each stroke. This way for a flake-free, fuller tongue twister. This way for a flake-free, fuller lashes. First item is a mascara. Next, we've got a product by Balance Me, and this is a PHA clarifying mist. And it says our clarifying mist combines exfoliating PHAs with antibacterial ingredients to calm skin prone to blemishes. Spray on to cleanse skin and pat in until fully absorbed. And we've got 10 mils there. I've had a few products from Balance Me before, but I'm not sure if I've had this. Usually their sprays are like quite full on. They come out with speed. That looks alright in the air. It smells antibacterial. So for me, if I have products related to acne prone skins, I always give it to my children or friends or family. I'm on medication. If you don't already know, I am on medication. I'm on a hormone medication because I got polycystic ovary syndrome. So yeah, it has stopped my acne for the last 5 years. It's a wonder drug for me, but I've been battling nearly 30 years to find something to help my skin. So yeah, not a product for me, but I'll pass this on to one of my kids, or my middle one, my daughter. So to buy this at full size, it will cost you £18. It gently exfoliates blemishes, unblocks pores and brightens the complexion. Also packed with zinc to regulate sebum secretion and tackle shine. Spray on your face or any body part where blemishes are bothering you. That's quite a nice spray actually. It's just not for me. So that's the second item I got. Next, I got a product by a brand I love, absolutely love, and I've never had this before. It's Rituals. And what is it? What is it? It's the Ritual of Karma. It's do good and good will come your way. Spread the kindness body cream, and it's Holy Lotus and organic white tea. And there's 70 mils there. I absolutely love this brand. Oh, I got a little bit of a collection going in the corner around there. Oh, I just love it. I've got 2 big tubs as well, both different sort of scents. I don't think I've ever smelt this one. Oh, it's gorgeous. That is really, really lovely. Really, really nice. Oh, I'm chuffed to that, and it's a nice size as well, a nice big size. That's the big size there. I've got those, and I think they are around £20 for the big tubs. Combining the irresistible aroma of lotus flower with pampering organic white tea, this nourishing formula sinks in quickly to hydrate your skin and calm the senses. Massage into clean skin daily for super soft limbs. I love that. Absolutely love that, so I'm chuffed to have that. Then I got a brightening hair care conditioner, and this is by Miracle Africa, Argan Oil and Marula. So it's a nice big size as well. What have we got? Is this another 75? No. Oh, that's odd. It's 40 mils. Look at the difference in size. Oh, mind you, this is a little bit thicker. Yeah, never mind. I just thought it was a little bit bigger. Reveals the shine of all hair types. Oh, the brand is Luxless. Sorry, it's got it down there. The brand is Luxless. And to buy the full size version, it'll cost you £19. It says a restorative treatment for lackluster locks. This conditioner improves manageability, boosts moisture and protects from environmental damage. After shampooing, smooth the conditioner through the ends of your hair. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse clean. So that sounds really nice actually. So there's that. And then, sorry, my big head in the way, coming too close to the screen. It's on the floor in front of me, so that's why I'm bending over. Last product is a product by Caudalie, Vino Perfect, and this is a Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting, and we got 10 mils here. Ooh. Apply morning and evening before your moisturiser. I don't think I've ever tried this before. I've tried lots from this brand and their moisturiser is really, really nice, but I'm not sure if I've tried the serum, or I haven't had it for a long time. I can't remember everything I receive in boxes. That'd be fab though, wouldn't it? To have like an amazing memory bank so I remember exactly what I've had and what my thoughts are on it. Yeah, that would make my videos much more interesting, wouldn't it? Never mind, unfortunately I haven't. I've got brain like a flipping sieve. So to buy this would cost you £46 for the full-size version. And it says this oil-free serum uses powerful grape to promote a glowing, even complexion and moisture-boosting glycerin to plump and hydrate. Perfect for all skin types. The silky formula is free of irritating ingredients like parabens and sulfates too. Smooth a thin layer onto clean skin each morning and night, which I just read off the back. So yeah, so that's the last item in the box. So I'll just gather them all up and then I'll come back. So these are all the items inside my May Birchbox tin. They're all mini sizes, so I don't have a price against them. But I've got a hair conditioner, I've got a body lotion, I've got a face serum, I've got a face spray to help and ease blemish prone skin, and I've got a mascara. I'm really happy with this month's box. I am really happy. Obviously the rituals, that is really exciting me. I really love that. Items I'll definitely use and hopefully I will like them. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of my products? But also, have you received yours yet? I do know from speaking to some of you that there has been some issues with delays in sending boxes out and they've been sent to you really late, etc. Yeah, what is happening? I'm just interested on how you're finding the subscription at the moment. But if you've had your boxes already, I'd love to know what you received and what was different to mine. But yeah, I hope you're all okay. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.